How to post an Instagram story from your computer. Let's say that you've edited a really nice photo or video or whatever on your computer that was intended to go on your Instagram stories and you want to upload it directly from there.
Okay.
Here is how to post an Instagram story directly from your computer. All I want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee, because you're awesome. Second, my 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab in the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new. It really helps me out. This is an OBS tutorial, so let's get right into it. What you do is you basically go on Instagram.com, click this button, click inspect, right? It's different on Safari, Chrome, Firefox. So one of the other options is to just go here, click on view, click on developer, click inspect or developer tools. It works, I just click inspect. So what happens is now is you get a mobile version of Instagram. If it doesn't work, just click this option here and don't click on iPad, click on iPhone X. And from here, maybe to look a little bit weirder, maybe it won't work. Go just click this button, toggle device toolbar. From here, if it doesn't work well, you can also click the refresh button, because as you saw, my DMs were there. Now my DMs are here and it really looks like a phone. The way to actually do that is click this button right here, and from here you can just add whatever story, image, video you had to your Instagram story. It's that simple. See, I promised this was going to be an OBS tutorial. I just told you how to do it. All I want from you is to like this video, and it helps me out. And you know what? I'll shout you out in one of the next episodes. Just comment your Instagram username down below and I will include you. Here are the shout out winners on this episode. Remember that a video day keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video you should definitely check one of these videos out. This one or this one of the